Hey y'all, welcome back to Calvin's Corner 72. Want to do a little video today. Harvey Spooner sent me a, y'all know he sent me some hard cider and pretty cool mail call the other day. And but he also sent me a little old bolt I've been needing. Been kind of aggravating him a little bit about it, but he sent it to me, and he wanted me to do a little short video on how I'm actually using that. I don't know if I think I've did the video on this. The winch, I put the winch on here and with the buttons and everything. Well, here's my wiring. And I'm hoping it doesn't get in the way of me putting this battery cover, this battery hold down on here. I didn't have the screw that goes right here. Actually goes on right here. And I'm hoping I can get this on here and get it all buttoned back up and get these wires tucked back in. I kind of had them down in here, this relay, and I'm hoping it won't be in the way of it. We'll see what we can do here. This is basically how it goes, and it looks like this battery is a little bit shorter than it should be, a little bit taller than that, but it doesn't matter as long as I can get this back on here like it's supposed to be. OEM, that's what I want. And sure enough, it's working. Awesome, that's what I've been needing. That's what I was wanting right there. Cool. And it looks like I can still tuck my relay and wire right out of the way. Still have access to my breather, and I got my little cover back on my battery like I wanted with the little bolt. And that's what he sent me right there. That's as far as she's tightening down. I don't want to tighten it no further. I don't want to break it. It's because the battery is not tall as probably should be. And I don't know why that is, because the box has got everything in it needs to have. But here's the final test right here. Y'all know I put my little tool set on there too. I bought this little deal, and I had the tools from a long time ago and sandblasted it and painted it up and put it on here, so I got all my tools in there. I'll probably never use them. Excuse the camera. Perfect. Pop right down on there. Hey, just while we're out here, and I know when I try to do it, it's probably not going to crank, but let's do a cold start. I'm hoping she cranks up. Cross fingers. Got a little gas in there, sounds like. Turn the fuel on. Ooh, looks like the front tires need a little attention. I'll have to put some air in that. Well, I'm not going to drive it anymore, so switch is on. Looks like she's happy. Got my green light on. Gas is on. Pull the choke up. Here we go. Uh-oh. Is it out of gear? Yeah. Oh. That doesn't sound good. Sounds like my batteries went dead on me. Gas is not getting to it. Gas is pretty low. Wish I had somewhere I could set this camera down. I'm sorry, guys. Try to slosh some gas over there on that side. Told y'all it probably wouldn't work. Wow. Well, good old Honda. Battery about dead and it's still crunk. That's what I love about them Hondas. Guess I'll have to get me a new front tire for this thing. I got 2 new ones for the back. Might as well order a new one for the front. That way it'll hold up. Yeah. She's an old bike. I'll go ahead and turn the gas off. Say it's an 84 model. She's a good one. I haven't got everything brand new, but I still got to put my cable on here. I got all my parts for my brake line in the back. I think I put them in the trunk. I ordered them off eBay. It's the spring, that little slide piece, and then this piece. So all I got to do is put my cable on there. Should hook up right back here, and I'll have my parking brake again. It goes from one issue to the next. She's not smoking right now, but if I give her gas, she will. Yep. Woo, boy. Run them mosquitoes off. But Harvey, she's running. She's rocking. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Sorry for the noise. This is Calvin's Corner 72. Harvey, you a good man. I appreciate it. Y'all come back.